Chapter 1. Earth wasn't always the blue planet we know today. At its birth, it was a molten inferno, a world of fire and destruction. But how did this chaotic hellscape transform into the only known cradle of life? And what if Earth's fate had taken a different turn? The journey from cosmic chaos to a living, breathing planet is one of the most dramatic stories in the universe. One that holds the key to understanding not just our past, but our future. Alright, let's rewind about 4.5 billion years, back when our solar system was basically a cosmic construction zone, with planets forming from a swirling mess of dust, gas, and rock. Earth? Yeah, it wasn't the comfy blue and green paradise we know today. It was a glowing lava-coated sphere getting absolutely pummeled by asteroids and comets. Three things kept it hot: violent collisions, gravity squeezing it like a stress ball, and radioactive elements breaking down deep inside. Basically, Earth was like a non-stop volcanic rave where the floor was literally lava. But over time, things started to settle. Sort of. The planet's insides rearranged themselves like oil and water, with heavy metals like iron sinking to form a solid core, while lighter materials floated up to form the first crust. Meanwhile, the surface was still a chaotic war zone, constantly reshaped by eruptions and impacts. And Earth wasn't the only one dealing with this drama. Venus stayed a smoggy, overheated wasteland, Mars lost its internal heat too soon, and our moon? Well, that little guy exists because Earth had a cataclysmic crash with a planet-sized object named Theia. Fun times. Then came the late heavy bombardment, a lovely phase where space decided to keep throwing rocks at us for hundreds of millions of years. But these impacts weren't all bad. Some of them delivered water-rich minerals, while Earth's own volcanoes spewed out steam, eventually forming the first oceans. With liquid water in place, the planet was finally starting to calm down. But for continents to emerge from the seas, something special had to happen: the formation of Continental Crust, lighter, more durable rock that could withstand the constant recycling of Earth's surface. This laid the foundation for plate tectonics, a phenomenon that, as far as we know, is totally unique to Earth. Unlike Venus and Mars, which both missed the tectonic train, Earth's crust keeps shifting, breaking, and colliding, which helps regulate carbon dioxide levels and, more importantly, makes our planet habitable. Looking at other worlds gives us clues about Earth's past, and maybe even its future. Venus might show us an alternate reality where Earth never cooled down. Mars, with its dried-up riverbeds, could be a preview of what happens if a planet loses its internal heat too fast. And icy moons like Europa and Enceladus make us wonder, does life always need continents and an atmosphere, or could it thrive in hidden oceans beneath miles of ice? What's clear is that Earth's transformation from a molten nightmare to the thriving world we know today wasn't just a lucky break. It was a complex chain of events, each piece shaping the next. And as we explore other planets and moons, we might just find out how rare, or not, this balance really is. Now, let's hear from you. If Earth had taken a different path, say, becoming more like Venus or Mars, do you think life could have still found a way? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you in the next video.